over at Jambo House. And that's our room. Up on the second floor. Well, it's the fourth floor, but it's the second one from here. Over from the luggage area.
So our food has come. It looks amazing. I know it's dark in here, so sorry about that. But Tom got the lamb shank. You wanna? Oh yeah, it's huge. I hope it tastes good. I got the filet mignon, and it looks amazing. And Fiona got chicken and ancient grains. She doesn't like the ancient grains. She's switching it out for rice. So our server was kind enough to do that. Right? And Tom, he's tired and just not feeling up to it, so he's just chilling. All right, we're gonna eat.
I need food anyway. No, I got some of the yellow. I'm gonna die.
You're gonna die, is that what you said?
Because I put from green. No, I died because I'm dying because I put the blue in the yellow.
What'd you make it, babe?
An African shield out of cookie and paint. Edible paint.
It's kind of a fun dessert, huh?
Yeah.
I wonder if it's gonna taste as good as
It looks.
yeah.
Like as it looks, or do you mean like as it?
Like the experience. Like is it gonna taste as good as the experience? Is that a right way to put it?
I don't know.
It's a fun way to clean off your paintbrush.
Yep. The best